Hello, and welcome to ZCM Magic. Today, we're going to show how ZENworks Configuration Management can dynamically update Windows environment variables based upon your network location, and how those environment variables can be used to help ease administration. So, in this case, I am working with a variable called ZCM source. ZCM source will point to the closest network share from which software can be installed. In this case, I'm in Raleigh, and it's at the 201 IP address with the ZCM share subdirectory. And down below, you can see some other locations that might be used for this functionality. One will be Charlotte, where it will be the 68 IP address. And there could be cases where a device is off the corporate network, where it would be in the unknown location and there would not be any URL. So in my sample bundle, ZCM source test, I simply double click the bundle and it brings up, launches Windows Explorer to the path defined in the environment variable. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and I'm going to change my network address on my card, on my device, so that I become in the Charlotte network location. So give me one moment as I change the networking on my device. And when the device's IP address changes, it'll force a device refresh. So I have a bundle that's running on device refresh that will look at my network environment and then change my environment variables based upon that. And I have my other ZCM source test bundle also configured to run on refresh, but it's set with a 1-minute delay. That way, I can make sure that my network environment is all set up when it runs. Since when I change networks, I'll have one IP address, then I'll have no IP address, and then I'll have my new IP address, and I don't want the bundle trying to run in the middle of that process. I want to make sure that whatever IP address change is taking place is fully complete. So right now, I can see that we are in the new Charlotte location, and we are just sort of waiting for the 1-minute timer to run. And I can go down here, and I can type set Z, and I can see that I am now pointing to the Charlotte location, and my bundle did run, and that's now pointing to the ZCM stream location, which is in Charlotte. And what I'm going to do, one more time, I'm going to change my network adapter, and I'm going to change so that it is no longer connected to the corporate network. Could be a laptop that the user brought home, and we don't want the install trying to run over the internet. Since you can see that my location has changed to the unknown location here. And again, we're going to need to wait for everything to settle down and the 1-minute delay for everything to clean up. But we can go down here and we'll type set Z again. And we can see my ZCM source is now set to none because I'm not on the corporate network. And after the 1 minute is up, there'll be a little pop-up message down here instructing the user that he needs to connect to the corporate network if he wishes to install this software. So we're just sort of waiting for that 1-minute timeout at this point in time. Oh, and there it is. Please connect to the corporate network to install this software. Close that. And again, the same bundle which would launch Windows Explorer, going to your closest network share. Again, just tells the user that he needs to connect to the corporate network. And that completes the demonstration. Please simply reference the technical article associated with this video to see the under the hood details. Thank you very much.